Hey, what's going on YouTube? MC Seth here, coming at you from the spare room. This time we're going to be talking about another print-on-demand website that you can use. It's called Spreadshirt, and without further ado, we're going to get straight into the video. So for those of you who don't know, I'm MC Seth, or DJ Seth, Seth, Joseph, whatever you want to call me, it's cool. And I run the Serial Carnage YouTube channel where I give tips, tricks and tutorials about how you can make your print-on-demand business as good as it can be. And this time we're going to be talking Spreadshirt. So I'm just going to flick you over to my webpage where I've just got the page open. You can see I've just on my dashboard sort of here where I can see a few of my designs that I've already uploaded, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to upload a new design and see what the process is all about. So if I just drag and drop that, you can see it's just going to upload that. It's very simple. It's just processing, so I'll be back in just a second. Now it's just processed, so you can see it's just popped up there and it says action required. Now additional step required before design is available. Now obviously that means I've got to assign it to certain products and stuff, so you can see you've got the original version here and the optimized version there that doesn't look great, so we're going to choose the original version, thank you, and we're going to confirm that selection. Right, so you can see it's brought me back to this screen now, and it says sales channels chosen. You haven't chosen a sales channel yet, which is true. So what we're going to do is we're going to sell it on the marketplace, and we're going to sell it in my Spreadshirt shop as well. And what it's going to ask me to do is put it on certain products. Now you can see it's already lined it up on the t-shirts, pretty good, even though it wasn't optimized, as you can see, so it doesn't really matter about that. It might do with some designs, but not this one. You see we've got a full color mug there and pillows. Done. We've got 20 out of 147, so it's not done, is it? So what you want to do is click on all available products. Now what I do is I just click on the men, have a little look in there, see what they look like. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's going to be pretty much the same with the t-shirts, so we select them all. Now if you've got like mature designs or something like that, you don't want to end up putting it on kids and babies, so just bear that in mind. And you can see that we've got all the t-shirts now. We don't need to go through any of those. We've got all 37 done, and you can do the same for the women as well. Let's select those all, make sure they all look good, and you can see they've got a bunch of shirts here. They've got more shirts and tops than RedBubble have, and you can see they've got like a logo design one as well, which is pointless, so we're just going to switch that one off. I should really do that to the men's one as well, but I'm not going to do that just now, but that's what you'd do anyway. And because this is a friendly design, we can put it on all the kids stuff. Just make sure that's okay. It's obviously pink and blue for the boys and the girls. And babies, yep, looks pretty good there. Little baby hat. See, these things I haven't seen on other print-on-demand websites, which is what I suggest all the time, is that you stretch yourself across multiple print-on-demand platforms so you can sell a multitude of products all featuring your design. Now we've done that, and we've got accessories next, and it's just being stupid there, so let's just click that, and we can see these goes on lunch boxes, mugs, coasters, the wee pouch, a lot of things in here now. Spreadshirt is really building up their products now. They've got tons, and they can contend with the best of them. And this is one of the first platforms that I used. Bit of interesting trivia. I'm from a musical background, hence the name DJ Seth, and I was using this site to make merch and stuff. So this technically was my first print-on-demand platform, but I never got serious into it until sort of October this year. And now the last one is stickers. There's only one, and we are pretty much done here. I'm not going to choose the colours because the customer will choose the colours at checkout. And you can see now I've got 146 out of 147 because I turned off that women's shirt that had the logo on there. And you can see I've got a description, and I could put some tags in here. So just bear with me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okie dokie, so if you see my threadless video, then you've seen the way I introduce the description, because more than likely you'll already have the description for your design on another website that you've already made, and in this case it's going to be RedBubble. So I haven't got much of a description, but it just describes the artwork as best as I can. Really, it's a video game slogan design. Education is important, but gaming is important, so there's not really much else I can write about that. But one bit of advice I would give you about writing a description: never describe the product, only describe your artwork. Because if they decide to change the material or the sizing or anything about it, then your description is going to be incorrect, and you don't want that. Whereas it's always going to be correct if you're just describing your artwork because you made it. I hope you made it. And again, we've got the tags here. We've got just a gaming one there, so I'm just going to delete that because I've got a bunch of tags here that probably include that as well. So we're just going to put that in and see how many we can get. Obviously it's only got 25. I've got 32 out of 25, so we're just going to pop those down. I'm going to keep gaming in there. You see I've just taken out my shot because, you know, whimsy and silly, they don't need to be in there. Witty, I suppose it is slightly witty. Irony, no. There we go, that'll do. And we've got 24 tags out of 25 now. So, and we can write the actual title of it as well. And we call this Gaming is Importanter. See, I've just snatched that title from the title over on RedBubble as well. It's as easy as that. And we can click create. And once you do that, it's pretty much done. You're ready to upload your next design. See? And we can go back into our products now, and you can see that's up there. It's for sale in my shop. Now what will happen is it will mark it as pending because they just need to check a few things before they allow it to be sold on their marketplace. Now I find that slightly strange because if there's any sort of copyright issues or trademark issues, then surely you wouldn't be allowed to sell it in your shop, but it goes straight into your shop no matter what. And I don't know why that is, but that's just the way it is on Spreadshirt. Now a couple of things I do like about Spreadshirt is the way it works. It's very quick. Like RedBubble, you saw how quick I was to make 147 products. Now 146 products. Now there's a lot of websites out there, and RedBubble being one of them, where you can make designs really quickly, less than, you know, if you get your flow, you can do this less than 2 minutes per design, and you know, within an hour you've got 30 designs. Simple as. And the way your shop looks as well, I like the way the shop looks on Spreadshirt. Obviously you only get your PNG logo there, but I think that looks great. It keeps it very minimal and just focuses solely on the designs. And one thing you can do as well is you can just change the color on the fly if you're just looking to buy a certain color of shirt and you want to see what looks good if you're a customer, and that's what you want to play the game as. Upload these designs and make sure when you're going through, you're looking through the eyes of a customer. Is this easy to do? And it's very easy to do. You can click the plus button here and a few more colors might pop up there as well, that just aren't on the immediate list there. And it's a very quick and responsive website as well. I've played on a few of the others and some of them take a bit long to get from page to page, but this is so snappy. Like it's brilliant. And you can see I haven't got many designs on here because this is I'd say my tertiary print on demand site in terms of which ones I use the most. My primary is Contrado, secondary is RedBubble. There could be argued between those, but this is my tertiary, and my quaternary is Threadless. So if you want to have a look at my store on there, just go and have a look on there. I use the same name for each one, Serial Carnage. So you know, just pop that into Google and you'll find out. You'll see it pop up somewhere in one of the first 2 pages. So that's all I've really got to show you about the upload process on Spreadshirt. It's very simple, and I think it's a definite contender with the top websites out there because of the amount of products and the ease of use. Yeah, so I'm not going to take you. I'm not going to take too much of your time. I'm just going to flick you back over to my big face now, so you can see it in detail. And I'm going to bid you a good day, just after asking you to, if you get any sort of benefit from these videos, just leave a little like, subscribe, or leave a comment in the comment section, because it really helps the algorithm, you know, find new users who might be interested in the content I make, because I'm a fairly new channel. And if you do leave a comment in there, I'm always quick to give it a little heart and give a full detailed reply, because as I'm a new channel, I've got that extra bit of time at the moment to give you the answers you might be looking for. So without further ado, have a good day, and I'll see you soon.